Welcome back to HiFi AV Tech. If you're getting into vinyl or upgrading on a budget, you're in the right place. Today, we're counting down the top 5 budget record players for 2026, comparing sound quality, features, and value to help you find the right turntable for your setup. Let's get started. Number 5. The DIGITNOW Belt Drive Turntable is a well-rounded option for vinyl listeners who want classic style with modern flexibility. Designed to work with Bluetooth speakers or active speakers, it lets you enjoy records without being tied down by cables, while still offering a wired connection for lossless playback. The built-in phono preamp makes setup simple, especially for beginners who do not want to deal with extra audio gear. Sound quality is a strong point here. The Audio-Technica AT3600L magnetic cartridge tracks grooves accurately and delivers clear, warm audio that suits everything from jazz to rock. The adjustable counterweight and advanced anti-skating system give you proper control over tone arm balance, helping protect your records while improving playback consistency at both 33 RPM and 45 RPM speeds. Visually, the high-gloss wood finish stands out. The retro design feels premium and works just as well as a decorative piece as it does a music player. The USB digital output is a nice bonus, allowing you to digitize vinyl and preserve your collection. Overall, this turntable offers solid performance, elegant design, and useful modern features, making it a great choice for casual listeners and vinyl newcomers alike. Number 4. The FancyRabbit H2410 Rosewood Record Player is a stylish all-in-one solution for anyone who wants vinyl sound without a complicated setup. Designed for home decoration and everyday entertainment, this turntable blends a vintage look with modern convenience, making it especially appealing as a Christmas or birthday gift. At the heart of the player is the AT3600L magnetic cartridge, which tracks record grooves accurately and delivers clear, warm sound. The adjustable counterweight helps reduce distortion and unwanted noise, giving your records smoother and more balanced playback. It supports both 33 RPM and 45 RPM speeds and works with 7-inch, 10-inch, and 12-inch vinyl records, so your collection is fully covered. The built-in 4-speaker system, featuring 2 silk tweeters and 2 mid-bass drivers, produces a surprisingly rich and room-filling sound. Bass is full without overpowering, and vocals remain clean and natural. Bluetooth 5 adds extra flexibility, allowing you to stream music wirelessly from your phone, tablet, or computer. Finished in elegant rosewood, this record player looks as good as it sounds. It serves as both a music system and a decorative centerpiece for any room. Number 3. The Qlearsoul ONE Q All-in-One Vinyl Record Player is designed for listeners who want authentic vinyl sound without the hassle of a complex setup. With built-in speakers, Bluetooth 5.4 input, and a switchable phono preamp, it delivers impressive flexibility in a compact, retro-styled package finished in warm walnut. The turntable supports both 33 RPM and 45 RPM playback, and works with 7-inch, 10-inch, and 12-inch record. At its core is the trusted AT3600L magnetic cartridge, paired with a lightweight tone arm and adjustable counterweight for stable tracking and reduced distortion. Playback sounds clear and balanced, with smooth mids and a pleasing analog character. The 4 full-frequency speakers provide strong volume, crisp highs, and satisfying bass, while the anti-resonance design helps keep vibrations under control. Bluetooth connectivity allows you to stream music directly from a smartphone or tablet, making the ONE Q just as useful for digital listening as it is for vinyl. The aluminum front control panel keeps operation simple, with easy access to volume and mode selection. Auto off adds extra convenience and protects your records. Overall, the ONE Q is a stylish, user-friendly turntable that offers solid hi-fi performance at an accessible price, making it a great choice for music lovers at any level. Number 2. The 1x1 high-fidelity belt drive turntable is a smart choice for vinyl fans who want quality sound, simple operation, and a clean, all-in-one design. Finished in a walnut-style cabinet, it blends wood and metal materials with smooth corners, giving it a refined look that fits easily into modern or vintage-inspired spaces. This turntable supports both 33 RPM and 45 RPM playback, making it compatible with most vinyl records. The built-in speakers deliver warm, room-filling sound, while Bluetooth wireless playback lets you stream music directly from a smartphone, tablet, or PC. An aux-in port and built-in amplifier also allow you to connect external powered speakers or headphones for a more immersive listening experience. Audio performance is handled by a magnetic cartridge with an adjustable counterweight, helping balance the tone arm and reduce distortion. The Audio-Technica diamond-tipped stylus tracks record grooves accurately, producing clear highs, smooth mids, and satisfying detail without excessive noise. Auto Off adds convenience by stopping playback when the record ends, helping protect both the stylus and your vinyl. With its replaceable stylus, detachable dust cover, and flexible connectivity options, the 1x1 turntable delivers dependable performance and stylish design, making it ideal for beginners and casual vinyl listeners alike. Number 1. The MYKESONIC Automatic Record Player is designed for listeners who want vinyl simplicity without giving up modern features. With a clean midnight black finish and a sleek modern design, it fits naturally into contemporary living spaces while offering an easy, beginner-friendly experience. At its core is the trusted AT3600L magnetic cartridge, known for accurate tracking and warm, detailed sound. The belt drive system helps reduce vibration, allowing records to play smoothly at both 33 RPM and 45 RPM. Fully automatic operation takes the stress out of vinyl listening, making it easy to enjoy your collection without manual setup or guesswork. The built-in HiFi stereo speakers deliver clear and balanced audio for casual listening, while Bluetooth input and output add real flexibility. You can stream music from your phone directly to the turntable or send vinyl playback wirelessly to Bluetooth speakers or headphones. For wired options, aux-in, headphone support, and RCA output are all included, making it simple to connect external audio gear. A standout feature is the remote control, which lets you manage playback and volume from across the room. Overall, the MYKESONIC Record Player combines reliable sound quality, versatile connectivity, and convenient automation in a stylish package that works equally well for new vinyl users and everyday listening. That wraps up our list of the best budget record players for 2026. If this video helped you, give it a like and share it with a fellow vinyl fan. Let us know in the comments which turntable you'd pick. And don't forget to subscribe to HiFi AV Tech for more honest audio reviews and buying guides.